Mother Sonia was married to a man of her dream, and after her marriage ceremony, she was having a problem with having a child, which she thought that she could not have a baby. So she went to the doctor with her husband, Austin, for checkup, and they told her she was fine. 15 years after her marriage, the family of her husband began to be angry with her because she could not have a child, and that they are going to look for another woman for her husband, which he refused to marry the woman the family proposed to him. He couldn't have a child. The Madam Sonia was feeling ashamed because she could not have a child after 15 years, so she stopped going to his husband's family's house because of the way she was being shamed for not having a child. On one fateful night, she had a dream that she's going to have a children all at once. She woke up, she prayed about it because she was a believer of Christ. So, after 23 years of her marriage, the year she was 58 years old already, she was not feeling okay and she went to the hospital for checkup, and the doctor told her she is pregnant. She was confused because she could not believe a woman in her 50s could have a child. So she went home to her husband and explained. After some months, they went to the doctor to do a checkup for her pregnancy. And the doctor told her that she is going to be having more than 3 children. She was scared and she was also happy. Then she gave birth to his 5 children at once at 58 years old. And she said to herself that her belief in Christ had fulfilled her dream. That, and also to the people who have different beliefs, should stick to it to the end.